have plants that you haven't planted? Well, I did plant them actually, but it wasn't last year or the year before. It was the year before that. I planted some petunias. I think I had gotten them from the garden center. I planted them in these little pots that we had around the edge of our yard by the lilac trees. The pots were there when we moved in, like 27-ish years ago. And I had tried to grow things. They don't get water with the sprinkler system, so any watering had to come from me. And over the years, the pots have fallen off of their pedestals, except for this one. And the year after I planted the petunias, they came up. So I knew that they had seeds drop down, and the next year they came up. But I hadn't noticed them last year or the year before. But yesterday when I was looking out the window, it's like, there's a petunia plant there. A pink one. That's what they were. It came up all by itself. The petunia plant loves its location, evidently. So I sent hubby out to take a picture so that I could share with you my beautiful little petunia plant that came up all of its own accord in my yard. What a blessing. Speaking of blessings, every one of you who watch my videos are a blessing. I appreciate you all. So I'm hoping that you will share and subscribe, thumbs up, all of those things that people say. And it really does help. So until my next video, may God's love and blessings surround you, and may you have a volunteer flower coming up somewhere in your yard. This is Darlene from Darlene's Garden, signing out.